Hello students, Unit 8 Prose Children of Courage, Bravery Awards English Notes 5th Standard Vocabulary Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Bravery, courage, unfortunate, ready. It was dash that Abhi and his friends met with an accident on the way to Nandi Hills. It was unfortunate that Abhi and his friends met with an accident on the way to Nandi Hills. His friend Nitin showed dash in saving them. His friend Nitin showed courage in saving them. When he pulled Abhi and two others out of the car, Nitin received an award for dash. Nitin received an award for bravery. He is always dash to help his friends. He is always ready to help his friends. Match the following. Gagan and Bhumika J. Murthy saved a baby that was caught in the path of two bulls. Munis Khan saved an old man a train accident. Rahul identified criminals who had planted bombs. Silver Kharbani saved the life of her cousin from a fire. Kumari Maibam Preeti Devi used her bare hands to dispose of a live grenade. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives, choosing the correct word from the brackets. First one. This is an dash story. This is an adventurous story. Second one. She is a dash girl. She is a beautiful girl. He is a dash boy. He is a young boy. This is a dash tree. This is a tall tree. Our teacher is dash to us. Our teacher is good to us. Comprehension. Answer the following questions. When was the first Bravery Award for children given in India? The National Awards for Bravery began in 1957. Second question. Why are the Bravery Awards given? The awards are given to acknowledge the extraordinary courage displayed by children in difficult situations. The awards also encourage children to use their presence of mind and show courage in real life. Third question, what is the age group that is considered for the Bravery Awards? Answer is below the age of 16. Fourth question, what do the awardees receive? Answer is the awardees receive a medal, a certificate, and cash as a token of appreciation of their valor. Some of them are also granted financial assistance to complete their higher education. On 26th January, they take part in the Republic Day parade in New Delhi, riding atop decorated elephants. Discuss the stories of bravery that you have read. Decide which act impressed you the most and write it down as a note. Use these sentence beginnings. I feel that dash was a very brave act. I feel that saved the life of her cousin from a fire was a very brave act. The child who did this is dash from dash. The child who did this is identified criminals from New Delhi. He was dash years old when this happened. He was 12 years old when this happened. I like it was very brave because dash. I think it was very brave because fought of a leopard that was trying to attack his sister. Identify the adjectives in paragraph number 10. Language exercises. Discuss with your partner why you like to or don't like to do the following. First one, speak before the whole school during the assembly. Don't like to. Second one, take an injection from the doctor when you are ill. Like to. Third one, stand up and tell your teacher that you have not done your homework. Don't like to. Fourth one, tell your parents truthfully that you spent rupees 25 they gave for vegetables on buying an ice cream. Like to. Fifth one, ask a boy in class 5 not to make fun of your friends. Like to. Underline the nouns in the following paragraph. Indian music is very expressive. It is traditionally taught through oral methods. The system of Indian music is based on two important pillars, rag and tal. Rag and tal. Rag is the melodic form while tal is the rhythmic form. The interpretation of the rag and the tal is not the same all over India. Today, there are two major traditions of classical music. There is the North Indian Hindustani Sangeet, the other is the South Indian Carnatic music. Both systems are fundamentally similar but differ in performance. Speech sounds. Try these tongue twisters. Red bulb, blue bulb. Red bulb, blue bulb. Second one, she sells seashells by the seashore. She sells seashells by the seashore. Third one, I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.